Welcome to our Ice Maker Showdown. Today, we are comparing two fantastic countertop ice makers, the EUHOMY Countertop Ice Maker and the Igloo Self-Cleaning Countertop Ice Maker. Both of these machines offer impressive ice production capabilities, but they have unique features that set them apart. Let's dive in and see which one is the best fit for your needs. Both the EUHOMY and Igloo ice makers boast an impressive ice production capacity of 26 pounds per day. This means you can enjoy plenty of ice for all your beverages, whether you're hosting a party or just keeping your drinks cool at home. However, the EUHOMY produces ice in just 6 minutes, while the Igloo takes slightly longer at 7 to 8 minutes per batch. This could be a deciding factor if you need ice quickly. When it comes to design, the EUHOMY ice maker features a sturdy stainless steel exterior and includes a convenient handle for easy portability. This makes it ideal for taking along on camping trips or moving around your kitchen. On the other hand, the Igloo ice maker is compact and lightweight, making it easy to fit into smaller spaces. Both designs are user-friendly, but the choice depends on your specific needs. Finally, let's talk about price. The EUHOMY ice maker is priced at $94, while the Igloo comes in slightly cheaper at $89. While both machines offer similar features, the price difference might influence your decisions. It's essential to consider what features are most important to you and whether the extra cost for the EUHOMY is justified. In conclusion, both the EUHOMY and Igloo countertop ice makers have their strengths and weaknesses. The EUHOMY offers faster ice production and a portable design, while the Igloo is compact and slightly more affordable. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your specific needs and preferences. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews.